You need to use your blog. Your blog is the backbone of your content strategy. It can be amazing content, but no one will ever see it unless you're promoting it properly. Remember that your goals need to be in check. You need to be in it to actually help your clients. Remember to answer helpful questions for them, and remember, if you're not in this for the right reasons, it will be pretty obvious. You can find out what your clients are interested in. You can do keyword searches. You need to make content that is the type of thing that your clients will be looking for. Remember that climbing the ranks takes time. Put in the work, pay your dues, and above all, make quality content. Some people prefer to listen to what you have to say. Podcasts these days are wildly popular, and for good reason. People can listen to them while driving, while at the gym, doing absolutely anything else. You don't have to be fully riveted the way you do with written and video content. You can have it playing in your headphones while you get on with your life. It is an incredible medium, and if you focus on the type of content you already have on your blog, you can repurpose it for a podcast and have something that's really relevant and really useful right now. Some people prefer to see things for themselves.
Look at all those chickens!
Video is also still very important. Lots of people are still visual learners. So if you can deliver something that really does help people to learn and evolve within themselves and within the business world, then you are really communicating value. If you can help people answer questions, address issues, and find new information, you're doing something right. A single YouTube video could get you thousands of views. Which of these strategies should you pick? Podcast, YouTube, or blog? All of them. It might be intimidating to say that you need to do all three of these, but really, if you start with your blog and you trickle down the other content into a YouTube channel and into a podcast, you can keep your entire content strategy relevant, and you can keep wowing your clients.